response.
Baby. Baby.
Somebody's wound up, like, really tired.
Baby.
Eli, you're so funny. What got into you? Somebody got a bee in his bonnet? He's got a bee in his bonnet, everybody. Bee. You're gonna get dizzy. I swear if he falls down and goes to sleep, I won't be surprised. It's like he's gonna pass out and fall asleep. Good grief, what in the world?